I used to have weeks where I just ate adobo day in and day out. And this is a canon event for all the Filipinos out there. Since I have plenty of work experience in this department, I'm gonna try out the most popular chicken adobo recipe on YouTube.
In a large bowl, add 4 chicken drumsticks and 4 bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs.
I have the exact amount of chicken.
To that, you're gonna add 20 cloves of garlic that have been heavily crushed.
Very nice number of garlic.
Add a small fresh crack of black pepper.
Freshly black peppered crack.
Then 1 tablespoon or 7 grams of whole black peppercorns.
Whole black pepper.
3 tablespoons or 50 grams of palm sugar. The good stuff will come in pucks like this, which I highly recommend.
Mine's a cube. I don't think it's the good stuff. Cutting it's so satisfying though. It's like bread. We don't typically add sugar though, at least in my household.
Then add 1 1/4 cup or 300 milliliters of unseasoned rice vinegar.
I only have cane vinegar, which is the closest thing.
1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of dark soy sauce.
I think this is what stands out from his adobo and the adobo we usually make. This should be used more in my opinion. I don't like the pale brown stuff because that color kinda reminds me of something.
1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of regular soy sauce, ideally the Silver Swan brand.
Silver Swan really is the type of soy sauce to use for adobo. I'm gonna be using Datu Puti though.
1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of filtered water.
Tap water.
Toss that nicely. And finally, 4 bay leaves.
Or Manila bay leaf.
Then just cover that bad boy with plastic wrap and marinate in the fridge for 2 hours, but ideally overnight.
Covered a good boy in plastic wrap and marinated this over day. That's my sleep schedule right now.
Then sear all of your chicken pieces in batches on all sides for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Then brown the rest of it. Please do that in batches.
Oil up the pan, then brown the chickens in one batch.
Add your marination liquid.
Add the marinade.
Reduce to a simmer, cover with a lid, and cook for 35 minutes.
Cover and simmer. This was 30 minutes in, and I added some water to boil it for 30 more minutes.
Some rice to the side, or you can plate it up like so.
Bruh. Why does it look so black compared to him? More color, more flavor, I guess. Alright, time to taste. It really just tastes like your typical adobo, except that it's more glazy because of the sugar added. And the dark soy sauce really just changed the color overall. Didn't really change much in the flavor aspect. Overall, really good. I would recommend you to skip the sugar though. I promise it's gonna be better. That's about it.